Increase availability in plastics manufacturing using axisPLAST 4.0. As a plastic manufacturer, you are challenged by spiraling costs, growing complexity, and higher quality demands, while at the same time, your customers expect lower prices and a reduced environmental footprint. What if you could proactively limit machine downtime? What if you could pinpoint major contributors to downtime? What if you could easily compare downtime reasons across plants, sections, machines, and time periods? Such easy, near real-time access to insights will certainly help you increase availability and improve your performance on all important metrics. Let us show you how axisPLAST 4.0 helps you do this. axisPLAST displays the live status of all your production machines, providing you the visibility you need to arrest budding problems before they significantly impact results. The pre-filters help you zoom into the most essential areas of interest. In addition, you can identify which products are impacted by machine downtime so that you can take quick action on any critical customer deliveries that might be affected. axisPLAST machine-level analysis provides insights that determine the major contributors to downtime for the current month by time as well as frequency. It encourages machine operators to focus on important rather than immediate problems, leading to a significant enhancement in availability. axisPLAST breaks down lost hours with reasons across plants, sections, machines, and time periods to narrow your focus on deeper causes of downtime. This analysis improves decision-making and has proven to improve utilization of resources. With the help of axisPLAST, one of our customers increased availability by 9% across their plant. Contact us to learn how axisPLAST 4.0 can deliver top-line and bottom-line value to your business.